Everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge Plus, and let me show you how to use codes on this device. So at first open your phone gallery. Now enroll keypad, and let's start with the first code. It's *#06#, and here you've got device information, so you can check email, made or serial number assigned to your device. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##225#*##. And here you've got calendar info. So once you want to check all upcoming events, they are right in front of you. Let's go back. Another code you can use here is *##426#*##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. And once you want to explore it a bit more, just mark more icon and select advanced view. And that's it. This would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.